Hello, welcome to another 5-inch RC Dalek review, but this time this is Battle Dalek number 4, and this one only arrived today. It is Dalek Drone. In the last video, we had a look at that one. We had a look at the blue one. Then in the first video, we looked at these two together. And I did a video, and I did a review on the blue one, saying these two could compete with these two, but they do. That's not about these two at the minute. These three. Our main attention is on the Paradigm Red Dalek. Before that, I've got another Dinosaur Zord. This is the Spino, but he's not yet to be reviewed because I'm waiting for another one to turn up with its battle helmet. Then I can do a proper review on it. If anyone would like to see a review of this, let me know. Let me know in the comments. But for now, let's go to the Paradigm Dalek. He's the same as the blue one. There is a translucent stand. That bit is translucent. And yes, the weapons can come off. He's the same, but his work. These light bits work, and I will demonstrate that later on in the video. So this is the remote for the red one. Similar to the blue one. This is the red one. Red one on my right, blue one on the left. Same but different colours. Right. Everyone's going to think, you have already owned this Dalek. Yes, I do, but he's on my shelf. He's on the shelf in position. But now, I have a Battle Dalek version. I should have said this is your first comparison with one of the original Battle Daleks. And here's Dalek Just. There's Dalek Just. Dalek Just on the left, Dalek Drone in the middle, and the third original Battle Dalek on the right. And now we bring in the other Paradigm Battle Dalek, Dalek Strategist. There's my beautiful figure of Shakura, who is next. She looks fine with the big boys. Excuse the fan and my DVD. There she is. Let's take out Dalek Just. Yes, as I say, if you want to see a review of the Cultus Scaro Genesis Art gift set, please do let me know in the comments. Right. Righty then. Right then. What else to talk about? Yes, he's one of the Paradigm. He's Dalek Drone because his rank is red. But I would like to get another one of these, or paint the original to a metallic good red. But the blue version is a metallic blue, and it was a Toys R Us, and it's very rare. There we go. Let's do another quick comparison with my gorgeous Sakura figure with the Daleks. That looks awesome, don't you think? Yes, it looks awesome. Let's move her out the way. Let's move Dalek Strategist out of the way. We may need him, or we use the other Dalek. Let's move this first. Anyway, yes. It's got movement in the gun, suck arm, and even the eye. It's very gentle. If you move the head gentle, you can get the head to move. But do it very gently, so you don't mess with the wires in the head. His wires are sort of broken in the head, in the blue one. Right. Right, I'm going to just quickly set up the Daleks, and I'll be with you in a second. I almost forgot. He is a 27 megahertz Dalek, along with this one here. That's 27, which I had to sellotape back on because it broke him off. So, if you're recommending doing Battle Daleks, I recommend getting one that is 40 and one that is 27. So, let's put the Dalek on. See what it sounds like. Exactly the same as the blue one. But I'm going to now demonstrate. Oh bugger! I pulled the air off the other controller, and I'm going to demonstrate the damage feature on this Dalek. I'm going to demonstrate the battle and the damage. That's one of the sayings. There you go. There you go. The lights are working on the blue red one. So 27 megahertz on the left, 14 megahertz on the right. There's the two battle Daleks. You watch when he fires. Good job he missed. Because you can move these Daleks. So this is a 40 one, this one will go faster. This one is another 27. Let's just show you around the Dalek. How's it moving? Turn around and fire. Yep, they're both compatible. So let's finish this Dalek off. We can see his diner sound effects. There we go. That. So then you know the drill. You push the reset button under the Dalek. But I do recommend these. Yes, these two can fight with each other. And these two can fight with each other. And it could be the other way around. You can have these two fighting each other. These two fighting each other. But you can't get these two fighting, you can't get them two to fight each other, and you can't get these two to fight each other. Yes, everything must be exterminated. Order of the Daleks. Anyway, I better turn you off. I recommend these if you're like a Dalek collector, or you're just mad at the Daleks like me, with my two big 18-inch ones in front of my left of me. Anyway, yes. If you love these, go and hop yourself on Amazon or eBay. Good luck paying ridiculous prices. Got him for 30, these two for 40, and this one for £6 untested. There we go, and that's what I recommend. But there's one more Dalek. There's one more. You're thinking, is that all the battle Daleks that there is? But there is one more. There's one more, and I'm going to have fun tracking it down, and that is an Ironside. Once I can get hold of that Ironside, look, a perfect for another comparison. Her in the middle with the Daleks. I have to do that. Well, the final Dalek is the Ironside, but the Battle Dalek version. If I can get my hands on it, I'll be brilliant if I can get my hands on it, but right now I haven't managed to get my hands on one. I have failed twice to get my hands on one. Literally twice to get my hands on one. But if you want, these stuck and Daleks, or some of them you can sell. Some sellers are selling these on their own, so you might be in luck. These two might be a bit more expensive. If you want these, have fun shopping for them. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, if you want to see a Dalek Mayhem video, like these two take these two take on each other, and then these two take on each other. Whoever wins out of these two will have to face these, or either these two or these two. Who wants to see a video of that? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep you updated on the video. If you want me to do a review of the Coral Scar, let me know. Anyway, I've got to try and upload this and have some fun with some battle Daleks. I'll see you lot in another video. Ta-ta.